in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this look. I did create this look using the Last Collaboration palette by Morphe, and it is the Dark Magic palette. I did go in and use this one as well, which is the Ring the Alarm palette, because I did need some more shades, which you guys will see in the tutorial. But yeah, if you guys want to get how I did this eyeshadow look as well as my final thoughts on this Dark Magic palette, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned.
They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. 'Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong 'cause we don't belong. And getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high in love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high in love. We're invincible.
Okay divas, so I just wanted to come and give you guys my quick closing thoughts. I really do love the Dark Magic palette. I think that the colors are nice and it is a good way to get me into like the cooler tone colors. Although I'm kind of getting into them with the Norvina palette, but this one really made me take that leap to go to the cool tone, because if you guys are new to my channel, like, you know, like I love freaking warm shadows. Like, that is just it. So I really do like this palette. The only downside is that it doesn't have any transition colors for my particular skin tone, so I did have to go in with the Ring the Alarm palette. And yeah, so that's the only downfall, but other than that, I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous and I would definitely recommend it. It's super pigmented, and yeah, I would definitely recommend it, but you would definitely need like a warm palette if you are not into the cool palettes or the cool shadows or cool colors, excuse me, like I am. So yeah, but I would definitely give it a thumbs up and recommend it. So yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed the tutorial on this fabulous eye look. I really enjoy creating it. I think that it's really pretty and smoky, and I feel like it's super easy to do. I tried to make it as simple as possible, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you fabulous divas think, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, girls, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.